Gigi Hadid has mastered the catwalk, the sultry stare, and the effortless model pose. Oh yeah, she woke up like that. Good thing though, guys, there's one thing that Gigi has not mastered. Like many of us, Gigi can't hold a plank. Not gonna lie, I love this girl even more after watching this video. Reebok had the brilliant idea of making their ambassador hold a plank while answering some personal questions. The results are hilarious. Now, you'd think looking at Gigi's abs that she'd be a pro at the plank, the exercise that's literally known for sculpting the body. But nope, Gigi's struggle is real as she tried to hold a pose while answering a few questions from her trainer, Rob Piela. Right off the bat, Gigi had a tough time with the move.
What's your workout routine like?
I box with this guy named Rob Piela, who's making me do a plank for way too long right now.
So clearly, Gigi likes boxing a little more than she likes planking. So the supermodel goes on to answer a few more riveting questions while holding this plank and reveals actually some great advice. Like if she could tell her younger self anything, what would it be? Her answer? Everything works itself out. And the best quote she's ever heard? It was actually from her stepdad, David Foster, who told her good is the enemy of great. Okay, that's all cool and all, but you have got to see Gigi's face when she's clearly had enough of this cruel game Reebok made her play. About a minute in, she's done, but her trainer won't let up.
What's the first thought you have when you wake up in the morning? Hips down.
Did you see how grumpy she looked? Hey, I don't blame her. Right after that, Gigi threw in the towel and was completely over this whole planking thing. The model just collapsed on the floor as she answered the last question in a fall that I've made many a time while doing my own planks. I kid, I don't do planks. Those are too hard. Gigi, though, rocked it, don't you think? Let me know how you'd feel if you had to do what the supermodel just did in the comment section down below. For more entertainment news, click the boxes and be sure to subscribe to Hollyscoop.